What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this power bank from INIU. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, INIU, INIU or INIU or INIU. Okay, maybe the name is a bit difficult to pronounce, but I'm gonna pronounce it as INIU. Yeah, that's a bit easy to pronounce. This is a PD 140 watt power bank which is equipped with 27,000 mAh battery. And even before I go through the review process, check this. 3 years of warranty. Go ahead, check all the other power bank brands and all the other products. Personally, I have failed to find any other brand who offers 3 years of warranty on a power bank. This is crazy good. Kudos to this brand INIU. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will go through the review process. But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, here comes the box of INIU Power Bank INIU B64 PD 140 watt 27,000 mAh. The thing I like about this brand is they have written it clearly. The Safe Fast Charge Pro. Yeah, most of the time there are brands who offers a very fast charging power banks, but safety is an issue, and I always care about safety measurement because I use a $6,000 US MacBook Pro. I use a $1,000 US Windows tablet, a spec'd out iPad Pro, and I always use spec'd out iPhones like iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro, and yeah, I also happen to have very expensive foldable devices, so safety is a very important thing for me. Okay, we are gonna talk about safety, performance, everything, but let's go through the unboxing first. Yeah, this one comes in a very nice packaging, simple yet very attractive. After opening the box, yeah, the first thing you will get is the power bank, INIU Fast Charge Power Bank designed by INIU. And underneath that, yeah, INIU has provided a very good USB-C to USB-C charging cable. This one supports a very fast charging speed and yeah, definitely a very good quality one. I'm very happy to see that INIU has also provided a pouch. This one isn't a simple pouch. This carrying pouch also gonna offer some sort of protection from accidental bump because this one is manufactured with this foamy materials, and yeah, inside the pouch you will get a welcome card including all the customer support contacts. I really like this. They care about end users, so that's why they have provided all the customer support information up front. And yeah, as usual, there is a user manual or quick start guide. Personally, I don't think anybody is gonna read that, but if you wanna read, you can. Well, I really like this monochrome design. It's very subtle, there is nothing so loud, and yeah, this two-tone design gives it a very nice attractive outlook and appearance. But as I always say, outlook and appearance is subjective. Different people like different type of design, but I think this design is really very attractive, and it's very difficult to not to like this type of design. This INIU Fast Charge Power Bank is manufactured with ABS material. They have used a very good quality polycarbonate. ABS is an ideal material for something like power bank because ABS offers impact resistance, and more importantly, ABS materials have very high fire resistance. Well, you may have already noticed that this one comes with a display panel. Yeah, all the necessary informations can be obtained from this display panel. Well, on the left there is nothing, it's totally a clean slate. On the right side there is a button. Yeah, that's the power button. Actually, that's the multifunctional button. On top there are 3 USB ports. 2 of those are USB-C ports. The first one is USB-C 1. USB-C 1 supports both input and output. USB-C 2 only supports output, and the USB-A port also only supports output. Now let me be very clear. We can use all of these 3 ports at the same time, and we can also use a single port at a time, and we can use these 3 ports in many different combinations. Okay, if we want to use multiple ports at the same time, then the fastest combination would be C1 plus C2. In that use case scenario, we'll be able to get up to 100 watt maximum from the C1 and 45 watt maximum from the C2. The second fastest would be C1 plus A1. In that case, we'll again be able to get up to 100 watt from the C1 and 18 watt from A1. And if we are gonna use C2 and A1 together, then we will be able to extract up to 24 watt in total. When we are going to use all of these 3 ports, then we will be able to get up to 124 watt. Yeah, the C1 will still be able to offer 100 watt maximum, and then A1 plus C2 together will offer 24 watt in total. But yeah, we can extract up to 140 watt from the C1 if we only use USB-C C1 at a time. And if we only use USB-C C2 at a time, we will be able to get up to 45 watt maximum. And finally, if we only use the USB-A port, we will be able to get 18 watt maximum. Okay, as I've already mentioned that the power button also is a multifunctional button, we can use this multifunctional button to extract more data from the LED display panel. Okay, when we press the power button for 5 seconds, this will switch between Pro mode and Easy mode. In Easy mode, we only get the battery percentage of the power bank. In Pro mode, we will be able to check the power output or power input through the different USB ports, and we will be also able to check the time, how long we can use this power bank or how long it will take to fully recharge the power bank. I really like this dynamic display panel. Its intuitive interface actually transforms our charging experience into something delightful and something easy. This one actually adds convenience to life because we can check the output wattage, we can check how many hours or minutes we can use this one, what type of juice left in it, and all the data is there. If we don't need that type of data, then well, we can press the interactive button for 5 seconds to turn on the Easy mode. Okay, there is another thing we can do using this multifunctional button. We can double click on this button when we are in Pro mode to cycle through the USB ports to check separate USB ports performance or output wattage. That's also a great thing. Kudos to this brand INIU. Now, if you have watched my other review videos, I have a lot of different power banks, like many. I have more than 50 different power banks here in this studio. And there are 2 things that I really care about. The first thing is safety measurement. What type of safety a power bank offers. As I've already mentioned, this brand claims that they're the safest and the fastest power bank at the same time. So I had to go through a lot of testing. In this channel, Hans Tech Talk, we just only talk. We do the real testing. Yes, I have already done a lot of testing and we have tested it with some professional equipments and we have checked all the safety measurements. Well, after I have thoroughly tested this INIU 140 watt power bank, I can say without any hesitation this one is actually one of the safest power banks that I have ever used. Because this one comes with a lot of smart protection like low and high temperature protection, low and high discharge protection, battery short circuit protection, output over voltage protection, charging under voltage protection, battery temperature protection, battery over discharge protection, output over current protection, charging over voltage protection, USB-C overcharge protection, charging over current protection, discharge over current protection, output short circuit protection, Type-C overheat protection, and Type-A overcharge protection. Yeah, there are a lot of protection. I am feeling a bit tired. But yeah, that's not the all. There are many other protections integrated into this power bank. So I am personally very satisfied with the performance. Now, after we have talked about the first important thing, what's the second important thing? Yeah, that is how long this power bank takes to get fully recharged. Because sometimes, yeah, we have very big power banks which takes a long time to get fully refueled. So we cannot suddenly use the power bank. But as this power bank from INIU only takes around 105 to 108 minutes to get fully charged, that's really super fast for a 27,000 mAh power bank. And actually the charging speed depends on what type of charger you are using. Here I am using a 100 watt GAN charger which offers a very good performance. So yeah, if you use a 100 watt charger, you will be able to refuel this power bank within 108 minutes. Actually, it takes around 105 to 112 minutes. In average, that's 108 minutes. If you use a 65 watt charger, then it will take around 135 minutes to 142 minutes. If you use a 45 watt fast charger, then it will take around 187 minutes to 196 minutes. Well, as you can see that I have been using this power bank to recharge all of my devices and gadgets, and have been even carrying this one along with me to everywhere. Yeah, because this one offers a very good performance. As we have talked about how long it takes to recharge this power bank, let's talk about how long this INIU power bank takes to recharge my MacBook Pro 16-inch. Well, I'm really surprised to see that my MacBook Pro M1 Pro 16-inch gets 59% recharged within 30 minutes. And my iPad Pro M2 gets 64% recharged within 30 minutes. That's really very fast. Even my iPhone 15 Pro Max gets 72% recharged within 30 minutes. And my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra gets 75% recharged within 30 minutes. Well, as you can see, iNIU Power Bank B64 offers super fast charging speed to Samsung. It also offers super fast charging speed to iPhone and almost all the other devices. How is that even possible? Yeah, it's possible because iNIU has integrated almost all the different charging protocols into this power bank. So this power bank supports PPS, PD, QC, and many other charging protocols. That's how it offers a very fast charging speed. Now, we have already talked about safety, charging speed, and many other things, but how portable it is. Yes, this is very portable. You can see it's really very light. Even if this is a 27,000 mAh power bank, if we compare this one with any other 15,000 mAh power bank, maybe this one is even lighter than those. So after I've got this one, I have also checked this brand. Yeah, it seems like they have dedicated their work for better end user experience. They have been developing different type of power banks for the last 10 years. And as they offer 3 years of warranty, so I'm really ready to say kudos to iNIU. Well, iNIU B64, yeah, this huge power bank actually complies with regulatory requirements of TSA and FAA. Yeah, as this one is rated as less than 100 watt-hour power bank, so we can carry it around with us, we can travel with this one, we can bring it on board on any aircraft. So yeah, that's really a very convenient thing. We don't have to worry about nothing. Well, iNIU B64 actually costs only $99.99 if you can grab the super early bird. Remember, there are only 100 units, so yeah, you have to hurry. If you want the ultimate edition, which comes with the iNIU B64 along with 3 cables, one supports 100 watt USB-C to USB-C and 2 other USB-C to USB-C cables, which supports 240 watt. Wow, that's ludicrous. And yeah, the ultimate kit only costs $139.99, but one more time, yeah, the numbers are limited, only 200 units, so you have to hurry. Well, that's all about this iNIU 27,000 mAh power bank. So if you're really looking for a power bank which offers a very fast charging speed through different charging protocols and is a very portable one, and packs a lot of punch, like more than 25,000 or maybe 30,000 mAh battery life, then you should check this iNIU power bank. I have left a link in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the product. But before you go, one request. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.